Hi guys, it's Weedit, and I'm just here with a very quick video to explain about something that made me really happy. I needed some 4x6 hard substrates, and usually I work on hardboard, but I looked and I couldn't find, I was having a hard time finding 4x6 hardboard, so I went to Amazon and I found, this is MDF, which is very comparable to hardboard. In fact, I don't know if there's any difference really, but I found them, and for 12 it was $14.95, flat rate box, shipping included. And I thought, well, okay, yes, it's more expensive than going to a home improvement store and getting them to cut it to specs, but right now in the middle of the pandemic, there are two things. One, it's not safe, and two, or it's not particularly safe right now in my area, and two, I don't live anywhere near a home improvement store. In fact, I think I live 45 minutes from the nearest home improvement store. So this is certainly convenient, and you know, at $1.25 it wasn't too bad. All right, it wasn't astounding. I would not be making this video if this was all there was to it, but they used a flat rate shipping box, and this is what they used for packing. So I was so thrilled because, again, I got my substrates and they're in great condition. They're not crashed, dented, bent, good clean cuts, so I was really happy with the quality. And then I got basically 7 more substrates for that cost, because this is what they used for packing, which brought down, including all of these, from $1.25 for those 12 to basically 80 cents, because these are too thick to use as bookmarks, but man, can I have fun with these, especially with there being 4. I'm thinking maybe even playing around in Mermaids Through the Seasons or something like that. So it was just a super deal to me. I appreciate it. It was very quick. They got here quickly, and again, their packing was more MDF pieces, so I'm totally thrilled. I want to let you know about this deal in case you are interested in getting quite a few substrates, okay, small substrates, for a small price. I'm really happy with it. The brand I ordered from Wood It Is, and I will try to put a link below. They've also got, I looked through their store, and they basically any size you want, but they also have some really great signs and stuff like that that were very uplifting. Not normally my thing, but they had some sayings that I really liked, and I'm probably going to incorporate into an art journal or something. So that's it. Wood It Is, okay? They packed with more MDF, and I got a really great deal. So I just wanted to share that if you're interested, go there and you can get some really cool substrates. These are one of the nice things about the thicker ones is they sit upright. You don't need anything else. So you could put whatever paint, whatever you wanted, decoupage, set it up, and you've got a cool little sign for your desk or something like that. So anyway, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate you watching, and let me know if you're interested when I find a deal. Okay? Bye, guys.